Hello everybody. Today we're going to put 37-inch tires onto this F250 that's already leveled and has 35's.
Hold my baby in there.
A quick comparison of a leveled F250 with 35's versus stock F350. To me it looks like it's about 2 to 3 inches, but you guys can be the judge. Here we're just taking the mud flaps off the front of the truck. We took a look, they're going to be too tight and rubbed. The back mud flaps, however, can still stay on. One last look at it before it gets to 37's.
Like the difference here, you know?
These tires are Toyo Open Country AT2 Extremes, 37 by 12.5 on 22-inch rim. The rims are Fuel Cleaver 22 by 10s with a negative 18 offset.
Special lugs for these babies.
What do you want? You want the number 1 line up with it?
The most impressive tool we've ever owned. We've yet to find a tire we can't get off. We've got a 5-ton, put a bar on it, plus myself, strongest guy in Manitoba, and Ryan, still couldn't get it. Put this thing on it, one hand, off.
We torque these tires to 165.
Boom! Boom!
Millimeter.
No.
Whoa! Rub in there.
Okay, come out now. Okay.
We cut the back out just like this. Got rid of half the clips there.
Should be good. You can go out now.
The backs were pretty simple. There was no rubbing or anything, so there's not much footage of them. It was just put them on and done. And here's what an F250 leveled with 37 stuffed under it looks like. This is just a little comparison of the height difference now